In this video we are going to talk about 10 reasons why octopuses are awesome. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Octopuses are among the most bizarre-looking organisms in the world, with their long, slender bodies and elongated heads. They are unlike any other animal you could ever hope to meet, as they have 8 arms, over 1,000 suckers, and 3 hearts, among other characteristics. Octopuses are highly adaptable and intelligent creatures that possess a diverse variety of abilities. Listed below are some of the more obscure, unique, and quite mind-blowing facts that contribute to the awesomeness of these strange and fascinating creatures. Number 10. The octopus knows how to have a good time. Do you believe that mammals are the only species that engage in play? Reconsider your position. An observational study conducted in 2006 revealed that wild-caught octopuses were playing with Legos by dragging them through the water or tossing them between their arms. Unlike less intelligent animals, which tend to ignore objects once they have determined that they are neither a threat nor a food source, octopuses showed curiosity, the ability to learn, and a desire to play with foreign objects, 3 characteristics that have not previously been associated with invertebrates in general. According to the scientific literature, play behavior is a sign of higher intellect, and it is one that has only previously been observed in vertebrates. Number 9. The octopus is not to be messed with. Although the octopus does not have any menacing spines, teeth, or claws, do not be fooled by its cuddly appearance. Each and every octopus, as well as cuttlefish and some squid, is capable of delivering a lethal poison. The blue-ringed octopus, on the other hand, is in a class by itself. This golf ball-sized venomous powerhouse contains enough venom to kill 26 people in under a minute. Its venom, which can be found in the Pacific Ocean, includes neurotoxins that cause muscle numbness and paralysis, which can progress to problems breathing and death if not treated immediately. It's best to avoid coming into contact with this blue and yellow beauty, because its bite is usually painless, and you may not realize that you've been bitten until it's too late to do anything about it. Number 8. The octopus is a smart cookie. When we think of animal intelligence, we tend to think of vertebrates such as dolphins and chimps, which receive the majority of the credit. But make no mistake, the octopus is a formidable opponent in a contest of wits. Ceratopoda have large, condensed brains that are divided into sections entirely dedicated to learning, a characteristic that distinguishes them from other invertebrates in this regard. When it comes to problem solving, octopuses have proven themselves time and time again. For example, there's Inky the octopus, who managed to slip through a hole in his tank at an aquarium in New Zealand and slide down an entire 164-foot-long drainpipe into Hawke's Bay. There is also evidence that octopuses have personalities, and that they react differently depending on whether they are shy, energetic, or emotional. Number 7. Offspring. Octopuses only live for a few years. Some organisms have a 6-month lifespan. Other species, such as the North Pacific giant octopus, have been known to live for up to 5 years. According to the World Animal Foundation, the larger the octopus, the longer it lives. Whatever happens, octopuses die soon after mating. According to the World Animal Foundation, a male releases sperm by putting a specialized arm, typically the third right arm, into the female's mental cavity during reproduction. However, there are situations when he practically hands her the sperm. Females typically lay between 200,000 and 400,000 eggs, though this varies by species. She watches the eggs with zeal until they hatch. She even refuses to eat. Her body turns on her after the eggs hatch. It commits cellular suicide, ripping her tissues and organs apart until she dies. The male, meanwhile, has swum away and will die in a few months. Baby octopuses are known as larvae when they hatch. They float on plankton clouds and feed on the larvae of other animals until they reach maturity. They are in danger of being devoured by plankton eaters since they are part of the plankton cloud. Number 6. The octopus is legendary. Octopuses have captivated mankind's imagination for thousands of years. Octopuses exist in tales and as deities in every corner of the planet, notably as the Tahitian sea demon Rogotomu and the Bahamas color-changing Lusca. Rogotumu, the Tahitian sea demon, and the Bahamas color-changing lusca are just a few examples. These eight-legged sea animals have also made regular appearances in popular culture, ranging from the Kraken in Pirates of the Caribbean to Ursula in The Little Mermaid. They have long been regarded as the classic aquatic villains. Number 5. Size. Octopuses are available in a variety of sizes. The common octopus can grow to be 12 to 36 inches long and weigh between 6.6 and 22 pounds. This is the world's largest octopus, and it can grow to be more than 2 meters in length. According to National Geographic, they generally grow to be 16 feet long and weigh around 110 pounds, but one was recorded to weigh more than 600 pounds and measure 30 feet across. The octopus wolfie is the world's tiniest octopus. It is less than an inch long and weighs less than a gram, making it extremely minuscule. Number 4. The octopus is a master of disguise. When it comes to deception, no one can compete with the octopus's skills. Octopuses have color-changing cells known as chromatophores that cover their skin and allow them to change color. Octopuses can instantly change color by expanding or contracting the cells in their bodies, allowing them to blend into their surroundings. With the mimic octopus, the deception is taken a step further by altering the way its arms move to simulate a wide range of other marine animals. It has the ability to imitate 15 different species that we are aware of, including lionfish, sole flatfish, and sea snakes, among others. In the open ocean, where they are exposed to predators, mimic octopuses can protect themselves from harm by emulating these deadly creatures. Number 3. Habitat and behavior. There are around 300 species of octopus, which can be found in every ocean on the planet. The vast majority of nautiluses reside on the bottom, although some, like the paper nautilus, move closer to the surface. Crabs, shrimp, and mollusks are the primary prey of octopuses. They are solitary creatures who normally live alone, sometimes in dens they construct from rocks, and sometimes in shells they draw over their heads to make a home for themselves. Some people even build a door for themselves out of rocks that they can draw into place once they've safely tucked themselves into their houses. Number 2. Super smart. Its arms are coated with hundreds of suckers, each of which can be manipulated independently thanks to a sophisticated bundle of neurons that serve as a brain, allowing the animal to touch, smell, and manipulate various items. Octopuses are capable of opening clamshells, maneuvering boulders, and even dismantling the filtration systems of an aquarium tank if they are given the opportunity. They've also shown the ability to form ideas about other individuals. For example, one often squirted water down the back of a keeper they appeared to loathe. Another person fired a water jet at a light in order to create a ruckus. Number 1. Self-protection. Octopuses are highly intelligent animals who have mastered the art of camouflage over tens of millions of years and have developed a variety of techniques to evade or deter would-be attackers. They are able to blend in with the colors and even textures of their surroundings, allowing them to remain undetectable. If a predator gets too close, octopuses can flee by spewing water from a muscular tube known as a siphon, which propels them ahead in a forward motion. Octopuses may also produce a cloud of black ink, which obscures them and dulls the sense of smell of anyone who comes close to them. Because of their soft bodies, octopuses can squeeze into seemingly impossible to fit nooks and crannies, as long as the holes are not smaller than the only hard sections of their bodies, which are their beaks. If all else fails, octopuses can be attacked and lose an arm, which they can then regenerate later. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.